Welcome back. This video is a follow-up tutorial to the Sherlock Taxi Driver App Basics video. In this tutorial, you will learn what to do if the customer fails to come out and how to do multiple and special types of jobs. If you're at the pickup and the customer isn't there, you can either send a no-show request to a controller or cancel the job on arrival. This will depend on the system settings as chosen by the company you are driving for. Firstly, let's take a look at the no-show option. This allows you to send a no-show request to a controller. To send a no-show request, press the button on the job details screen. There is a countdown timer on the button which shows the minimum amount of time you need to wait for the passenger before pressing no-show. You will be unable to press the no-show button before this countdown has reached 0. If the customer has still not arrived by the end of the countdown, press the button and a notification will be sent to the controller. The controller will then contact the passenger and, depending on the call, either tell you to wait a bit longer for the passenger to come out or cancel the job. If the job is cancelled, you will receive a notification in the app to tell you this. Alternatively, there may be a cancel on arrival (COA) option available for you. In this instance, you can cancel the job by pressing the no-show button. It works similarly. You cannot press it until the countdown has ended. After pressing the button, the job will be cancelled. Whilst doing a job, you may also get a follow-on job allocated to you. In this instance, you will see this screen and you will need to accept or reject the job. The countdown timer at the top of the screen is a countdown until the system will automatically accept the job for you. If you accept the new job, you will only see full details of the job after finishing your existing job. So, if you tap the multiple jobs icon in the bottom right hand corner of this screen too early, you will see this message. After pressing the Finish button to complete your existing job, you'll be notified that you can now access full details of the follow-on job. Press Show Details and complete the job as usual. If you receive a destination unknown job, it means that the passenger has not provided their drop-off address and you need to ask for it. As soon as the passenger gets into the car and you press POB, you'll be taken to the map screen. Ask the passenger for the drop-off address, enter it in the search field and select the required address from the list of suggested addresses. Now, you can see the drop-off address added to the job details on the screen. Use the Navigate to option to drive to the destination and finish your job as usual. If you see that your new job is a wait and return job, it means that you should drive the customer to the destination, wait for them, and when they return to the car, take them back to their pickup point. When your passenger is on board and you reach the address specified in job details, press Stop and Wait, whilst you wait for the passenger to return to the vehicle. Waiting time will be calculated automatically in the app. When your passenger gets back in the car, press Resume Journey. Once you've returned to the pickup point, press At Drop-Off and finish the job. If you are allocated an As Directed job, it means that a customer has requested a car for a certain period of time. After setting the POB status, you'll see the timer on the map screen showing you how much of the allocated As Directed time has already been used. If the specified working hours have been exceeded or not all As Directed time has been used, the time value will be recalculated and updated automatically after setting the At Drop-Off status. By pressing the Finish button, you'll see the updated price of the job. Tap Finish Job to complete your journey. If this type of job is available to you, according to the system settings, you can pick a passenger up from the street. If you want to do this, open the side menu and select the Flag Down option. In the dialog window, tap Request to confirm that you want to send a line job request to the controller. If the request is accepted, you will see this screen. Based on your current location, the pickup address will be determined by the system automatically. At the drop-off point, you will need to specify the destination. By pressing Finish, you will see this dialog window. When you tap Set Drop-Off, the system will determine your current location and set it as the drop-off automatically. You can then finish the job as usual. Thank you for watching.